Well, welcome to AK Math, and today we are going to take a look at what is a fraction. Usually, many of my students will moan and groan and roll their eyes and tell me that they hate fractions, to which I always reply, fractions are our friends. And with disbelief, they start to listen. Fractions are nothing more than long division in disguise. And we all know how to do long division. So we start long division with what's called a long division symbol, and it looks kind of like a house. And underneath that house, we have a dividend. And the dividend is that number that we need to break into even pieces. Okay, and right outside of our division house, we have a divisor that does the work on the dividend into splitting it into pieces. So then the answer will be a quotient. All right, that looks familiar. We've seen that before. But let's look at a fraction. What are the pieces of a fraction? Well, the first thing that we have with a fraction is called a fraction bar. The fraction bar has a similar function as the house in long division. And in the top of the fraction bar, we will have a numerator. And on the bottom of the fraction bar, we have the denominator. Okay, I can use the same vocabulary that we are familiar with, such as the divisor and the dividend. The numerator will be equal to the dividend. And then we will have our fraction bar, and our denominator is equivalent to our divisor. And once again, once we have performed the division operation, we will get a quotient. So that's really all there is to a fraction. It's just long division in disguise. I hope this has helped clear up what a fraction is. And remember, fractions are our friends.